Now let's see few more transformation. So I'll go into the transform tab. In the second tab, suppose we have this particular column. This is a segment column. Now let's see, you want to convert everything in a uppercase. So how actually you can do? So you will see one of the option, that is a format option here in the transform tab. Search for the format. If you click here and if you click on the uppercase, what will happen? Everything will be converted into the uppercase. You can see segment column, everything got converted into the uppercase. Suppose you want to convert into the lowercase, so what you will do, you'll click on the lower, everything will be converted into the lowercase. Now if you again, we have more option, capitalize each word, means first letter will be converted into the capital, so that is the capitalize each word. So like that you can see with one click itself this all the things are happening and we are able to do that. Now let's see more thing. Next is the trim. So suppose you have a leading and the trailing white space, and that white space you want to remove. So with the help of the trim actually we can do that. So if you click on the trim, right, whatever the white space will be there, that will be removed. Here we don't have, that's why we can't see, but if you want to do that kind of the operation, that kind of the operation also is available. After that we have a add prefix. Suppose before to this I want to add few prefix. Suppose I want to add the prefix Mr. If I click on the OK, what will happen? One prefix will be added. Similarly, afterward, if you want to add any suffix, that particular suffix and prefix you can add with this particular option. Means you can see with one click only you are able to do this all the kind of the operation. So I don't want to this prefix, so I will just remove it. Now let's see another transformation. Suppose based on this dash, right, whatever the dash we can see, based on this you want to split the column. So if I click on the split column, you can see by delimiter we want to split. So we will select here and we will select the custom and we will write based on the dash we want to split. So if I click on the OK, what will happen? Based on the dash actually it will split it. You know, right, for splitting we have to write the multiple lines of the code, but here you can see with the help of the one click itself you can see multiple column actually it got splitted based on the split. So you can see we have now two state, one is the state 1, state 2, based on the whatever the slash was there, right, actually it splitted the state 1 and the state 2. I'll just remove this, but this is the another transformation we can perform. Now suppose your requirement is like you want to replace some values. So suppose in a city I want to replace this ABA, right, I want to replace with some other another value. So what actually I can do, I will select the column, go to the replace value to find this is a particular value I want to replace with the AB AB I want to replace. If I click on the OK, what will happen? Whatever the ABA value was there, right, that will be replaced with the ABA. Now you can see it got converted in a ABA. Means you can see with one click only we are able to this all the kind of the operation. Now suppose you want to any rename the column, this city column you want to rename, select that, click on the rename, and with the help of the rename you will be able to rename also. So let me make it in the capital. So everything is available like a button, you just have to click and you have to perform the that particular operation.